Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and open up this X 5-channel amp. Let's see what it comes with. This is the best 5-channel Alpine has to offer. Instructions. It's got some covers. Last but not least, it's pretty hefty. Kind of heavy. Probably about 20 to 30 pounds. And there she is. Wow. She's definitely a beauty. Look at this. She's gorgeous. No more having to stick wires in. Comes with these adapters. You hook up your speakers in here. Man, yeah, so when you have to disconnect them, boom, you just disconnect it. That's dope. I really like that idea. I really, really do. I just got a gel audio amp, and mine didn't even have this. I still had to screw it on. I wish they made it to where I can just disconnect it and take everything out. But yeah, this is the Alpine X. It's really nice. Really nice. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna figure out where we're gonna mount that puppy at. So that's the Alpine. Now we're gonna put everything back in here. We're not gonna install it yet. We don't want to throw away any of the parts. Let's move on to the components. These are the Alpine Type R's. Paperwork, little styrofoam, and you got your speakers. Crossover tweeter, mid-range speaker here. Let's open this one up. I love the smell of new speakers. Look at this puppy. Well made. Really nice. Really, really nice. It's really slim as well. Not heavy whatsoever. So that's pretty neat. I like that. Let's open up the tweeter. Got your adjustable tweeter. Can adjust it to whichever angle you would like for it to sound. It's really nice, just basic. Not basic, but got your wiring. These are going to be for the fronts. Got your crossover. Input tweeter. Pretty nice, legit. Okay, so these are going to be for the front. Go ahead and put those there. Now we're going to open up the coaxials, 6.5s. These have the tweeter and everything built in it. Let's open them up. These are going to go on the rears. Same concept, but everything's built in together here. It's pretty smooth. What's up, Ethan? So that's all the product for this one. How you doing, bro?